Today, a major port is a world of its own. Modern port facilities have to meet the demands of highly specialized transport systems by sea, land, and air. And so, within the boundaries of any large seaport, we find an amazing range of services. A modern port maintains shipping channels, harbor basins, and navigation aids, as well as the port infrastructure such as wharves, quays, docks, storage areas and warehouses, cranes for cargo handling and terminals for cargoes and passengers. It provides pilots and pilot vessels, tugs for towage, and emergency response vessels in cases of accidents at sea. Within its area, we find office buildings for all the various companies catering for the shipping industry: ship brokers, shipping agents, stevedoring and lashing companies, ship's chandlers, marine engineering companies, companies for marine equipment and ships repair, cargo surveyors and inspection companies, to name only a few. Today, there are also strict security requirements. The Port of Santander. Elegant, picturesque Santander, situated in the region of Cantabria, is typical of North Spain. The city lies in a beautiful setting, backed by open countryside and dramatic mountains. A very good road network connects Santander to the whole of Spain, Portugal, and the south of France. A bustling regional capital and a popular holiday resort, Santander offers excellent beaches, splendid viewpoints, museums, galleries, and a lively market. The port activity in Santander dates back more than 2,000 years, the town being founded by the Romans in 19 BC. Today, the Port of Santander is a fast-growing port and an important junction in Spain for combined water, road, and railway transport. In 2003, the total port traffic comprised about 5 million tons of goods. The Port of Santander has facilities for handling all types of cargo: dry and liquid bulk, general cargo, roll-on roll-off, and container traffic. The passenger terminal in the heart of the city has facilities for both ferries and cruise ships, and there's regular ferry liner traffic to the United Kingdom. 4 million tons of dry bulk such as coal, ore, fertilizers, grain, soybeans, cereals, and sodium carbonate passed through Santander in 2003. More than 1 million tons of general cargo was handled. Roll-on roll-off traffic accounted for 65% of this type of cargo. Of liquid bulk, petroleum is the largest element, followed by chemical products and molasses. Depending on the type, bulk goods can be loaded and unloaded using a conveyor, grabber, or bucket. The bulk is loaded into a hopper, which passes it onto a conveyor belt system to deliver it to a stockpile. Some bulk cargo, such as scrap metal, is loaded into big metal bins known as skips and lifted into the hold of the bulk carrier. During the last few years, vehicle handling shows the greatest increase in Santander, 36% in 2003. This is important for the port's image, as shipment of motor vehicles requires excellent standards of logistics operators, as well as port facilities and shipping lines. The port has invested in, and is continually making new investments in, specialized handling installations for all the types of cargo already mentioned.
Companies for marine equipment and ships repair. Provides equipment for repair. Stevedoring company. Ship brokers. A company that buys and sells ships. Chandlers. Procures, for example, food articles and other equipment needed. Shipping company. A ship-owning company. Companies for marine equipment and ships repair. Provides equipment for repair and maintenance of ships. Stevedoring company. Provides personnel and equipment for loading and discharging. Ship brokers. A company that buys and sells ships. Ships chandlers. Procures, for example, food articles and other equipment needed by ships. Shipping company. A ship-owning company offering service for shipment of goods overseas. Shipping agent. Represents ship owners in port. Carries out services for ships. Grain. The small hard seeds of food plants, such as wheat and rye. Logistics. Maintenance. Ore. Rock or soil from which you can get metal. Shipment. An amount of goods sent from one place to another. A fertilizer. A natural or chemical substance used to make plants grow. Grain. The small hard seeds of food plants, such as wheat and rye. Logistics. Maintenance. Ore. Rock or soil from which you can get metal. Shipment. An amount of goods sent from one place to another. A fertilizer. A natural or chemical substance used to make plants grow. Coal. Black substance dug from underground, burnt as fuel. Dry bulk. Loose cargo, e.g. sand. Petrol. Fuel used in car engines. American, gasoline. General cargo, peace cargo. Molasses. Sweet, thick, dark liquid used in sweet dishes. Liquid bulk, liquids. Petrol. Fuel used in car engines. American, gasoline. General cargo, peace cargo. Molasses. Sweet, thick, dark liquid used in sweet dishes. Liquid bulk, liquids. Petroleum. A mineral oil from which paraffin, benzene, etc. are obtained. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. Santander lies or is situated on the north coast of Spain. It is a popular holiday resort. Santander is an old port town. It was founded by the Romans. In Santander, water, road, and railway transport meet. It is an important junction. Traffic included or comprised 5 million tons of goods in 2003. Liner traffic is when a ship goes on the same route back and forth between two ports. Passenger ferries and cruise ships berth at a passenger terminal. Traffic has become more lively. There has been an increase in traffic. Ro-ro is short for roll on, roll off. When you put money into something and hope to make a profit, we say you invest. The sum put up is called an investment. Ro-Ro traffic stands or accounts for 65% of the general cargo traffic. The port authorities have had to set up or install specialized equipment for vehicle handling. Grabber. A clutching device for handling cargo. Barrel. A round container, often for oil, for example. Pallet. A platform with or without sides on which you can load packages or crates. Bucket. A pail. Bale. Grabber. A clutching device for handling cargo. Barrel. A round container, often for oil, for example. Pallet. A platform with or without sides on which you can load packages or crates. Bucket. A pail. Bale. A large bundle of goods packed and fastened up. Crate. A wooden box. Bag. Something made of leather, paper, cloth or plastic for holding articles or goods. Conveyor. A belt or chain for moving large quantities of goods. Bin. A box in which things, grain, scrap material, etc., may be stored or put. Hopper. A funnel like a cone upside down through which grain passes into a truck or hold. Carton. A box made of cardboard. Container. A metal box of standard size used for cargo. Bag. Something made of leather, paper, cloth or plastic for holding articles or goods. Conveyor. A belt or chain for moving large quantities of goods. Bin. A box in which things, grain, scrap material, etc., may be stored or put. Hopper. A funnel like a cone upside down through which grain passes into a truck or hold. Carton. A box made of cardboard. Container. A metal box of standard size used for cargo. Scrap metal. Scrap metal. Ore. Petroleum. Fertilizers. Grain. Machinery parts. Soybeans. Cereals. Sodium carbonate. Piece goods. Timber. Paper rolls. Sand. Electronics. Gas. Molasses. Coal. Chemicals. Oil. Machinery parts. Piece goods. Timber. Paper rolls. Electronics. Scrap metal. Ore. Fertilizers. Grain. Soybeans. Cereals. Sodium carbonate. Sand. Coal. Petroleum. Gas. Molasses. Chemicals. Oil.